Hello, welcome to watch my video where I create cap mat for this piece of wood. These pieces of wood must be cut into slices. I use a metal saw because this method was fastest for me. In a few minutes I cut the wood into pieces. You can watch how wonderful is structure of the wood because the wood contains many knots. Then I must sanding with vibration sander, then surface was soft. And these are pieces after sanding. The last operation was painting to make the surface shiny and protect against water. And these are original cap mats which you could use for any glass, cup and mug. Thank you for watching my video and click for subscribe. Bye.